Hello everyone. As you all know that we are solving problems of the concept intercept and slope intercept form. Now the fourth question is find the equation of a line passing through -3, 5 and perpendicular to the line through the points 2, 5 and -3, 6. See here they are given. We have to find the equation of the line. One line is passing through -3, 5. That line is perpendicular to the another line, perpendicular to the line. This line is passing through the 2 points, that is one is -3, 6 and the one is 2, 5 point somewhere here. This means this point. Suppose this line is L1, this line is L2 line. We have to find the equation of the line of this line, L1 line. This line is passing through -3, 5. We have to find the equation of the line. You all know that if we need to find the equation of the particular line, we need 1 point or else 2 point as well as the slope of that particular line. But they are given here only a 1 point. First, we have to find the slope of this particular line. Also, they are given the hint. This line is perpendicular to this line and this line is passing through -3, 6 and 2, 5. 2, 5. You all know that the one concept, if the two lines are perpendicular to each other, then the slope is, the product of their slope is equal to -1, or else one slope is equal to the negative reciprocal of other slope. You all know that. Using that, we have to find the first this slope. See here, line L1 is perpendicular to line L2. Using this concept, the slope of line L1 is equal to -1 divided by slope of line L2. You all know this. Means the slope of line L1 is suppose M1. The slope of line L2 is suppose M2. You all know that if the line is perpendicular to another line, M1 into M2 is equal to -1. That is nothing but M1 is equal to -1 divided by M2. That is slope of line L1 is equal to -1 divided by slope of line L2. Using this, we have to find the slope of line L1. But we also don't know the slope of line L2. But they are given this line L2 is passing through 2 points. By the definition of slope, if the line is passing through 2 points, we have to use this formula. You all know that y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, right? See here, the slope of line L2 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Suppose this line is x1 comma y1, this one is x1 comma y1, this one is x2 comma y2. Okay, y2 minus y1, y2 is what here? 6 is there. Means 6 minus y1 is 5 is there, plus 5 divided by x2. x2 is -3 minus x1 is what here? 2. That means 6 minus 5 is 1 divided by minus 3 minus 2 is minus 5. It means the slope of line L2 is equal to 1 divided by minus 5. Fill in this equation. See here. The slope of line L1 is equal to minus 1 divided, the slope of line L2 is, we got here, minus 1 divided by 5. You all know that 8 whole divided by b by c is nothing but minus 1 into reciprocal of minus 1 by 5 is minus 5. It means your final answer is minus into minus plus 1 into 5 is 5. The slope of line L1 is equal to what here? 5 we got. And see here, the line L1 is passing through minus 3, 5 and with slope, just now we got the slope of line L1, that is plus 5. We have to find the equation of the line L1. This line is passing through minus 3, 5. Also we got the slope of this particular line is 5. Using the point slope form or slope point form, using point slope form formula, in other y minus y naught is equal to m x minus x naught. Passing through in point either, this is nothing but x naught and y naught. The slope is small m. See here, y minus y naught is 5 is equal to slope is plus 5, x minus x naught is minus 3. This y minus 5 as it is, 5 as it is, x minus into minus plus 3, and now y minus 5 as it is, multiplication 5 into x is 5x plus 5 into 3 is 15, and next final answer is here. This 5x is as it is, okay. This plus y goes to the RHS part and becomes minus y, and this plus 15 is as it is. This minus y goes to this side and becomes plus 5, and that is equal to 0. Then final equation is 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5 is plus 20 is equal to 0. And the equation of the line passing through the minus 3, 5, answer is what? 5x minus y plus 20 is equal to 0. See, please take a screenshot of this. Next question. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1, 0 and 2, 3 divides in the ratio 1 ratio small n. Find the equation of a line. First question artha madkodri. We have to find the equation of that line. This line is perpendicular to the one more line, that line is passing through 1, 0 and 2, 3. But here, suppose this line is L1. This line is perpendicular to one line segment, that is L2 line. Suppose this line segment is A, B. This line segment joining the point, suppose A point is 1, 0 and B point is 2, 3. The first, read the once again. A line perpendicular to the line segment joining the point 1, 0 and 2, 3 is here. This line segment is joining the point 1, 0 and 2, 3. This line is perpendicular to this line segment as well. Also they are given that divides in the ratio. This line segment intersecting somewhere here. This point is suppose L, capital L. This point it divides this line segment in the ratio of 1:n, not equal parts. That this point is divides this line segment in the ratio 1, n. Okay, now see here we have to find the equation of this line L1. Okay, this L1 is passing through this point, that is L, but we don't know the coordinate of this particular line. First we have to find the coordinate of this point. How to find? Think. This line segment is divides in the ratio of 1:n. As you all know that the section formula, the line is divides in the ratio m/n. Then using that formula, first we have to find the coordinate of this point. After that, this line is passing through this point, and also we have to find the slope of this particular line. How to find the slope of this line? They are given that this line is perpendicular to this line. Again we have to use the slope L1 is equal to reciprocal of another slope, negative of another slope. Using that we have to find the slope. After that we have to find the equation of the line. See here, first this capital L is divides the line segment in the ratio of 1:n. See here, L, capital L, divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:n. Then by using internal division formula, that is nothing but section formula only, this point is dividing this line segment internally, no? So that's why we have to use internal formula. We have to find L coordinate point x, y. You all know that the formula, if the line segment it divides in the ratio m/n, the formula is what? M x2 plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma m y2 plus n y1 divided by m plus n. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು 1, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆದರೆ. ಎಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1, ಎನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಎನ್, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎನ್ನೇ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಸಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋ 1:n. ಆಮೇಲೆ x1 y1 x2 y2. ಸಪೋಸ್ this A is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. It means ಈಗ x1 ಏನಾಯಿತು, x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1, y1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0, x2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 2, y2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಅದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಬೇಕೀಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಎಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, 1 ಇದೆ. 1 ಇಂಟು x2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎನ್. x1 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1 means 1 divided by m plus n. M is 1 plus n. Similarly m is 1, y2 value ಏನಿದೆ 3 ಇದೆ. n is n, y1 value ಏನಿದೆ 0 ಇದೆ. Divided by m ಏನು 1 plus n. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, ಎಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. The next 1 into 2 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n ಆಯಿತು. 1 into 3 3 plus n into 0 0 divided by 1 plus n ಆಯಿತು. ಈ ಎಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, y ಏನಾಯಿತು 3 divided by 1 plus n. It means this line is passing through 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, 3 plus 0 means 3 divided by 1 plus n. Passing ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಈಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. Then now we have to find the slope of this particular line. How to find the slope of this line? Think. You all know that this line is perpendicular to this line, means here line L1 and line segment AB are perpendicular. So that if two lines are perpendicular to each other means one slope is equal to the negative of reciprocal of each other. So you are now using that here. The slope of L1 is equal to minus 1 divided by the slope of line segment. The slope of line is AB. Yes, as you all know that the slope, the line segment AB is passing through the point 1, 0 and 2, 3. Using this by the definition of slope, it means y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಏನ್ರಿ 1, 0 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2, 3 ಆಯಿತು. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದೇನು ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y2 ಏನ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 minus y1 0 divided by x2 ಏನ್ರಿ 2 minus x1 ಏನ್ರಿ 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಾವು ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ x1 y1 and x2 y2 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್. ಈ ಫೈನಲ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು 3 2 minus 1 1. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಏನಾಯಿತು 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ see the slope of, using the slope of line segment AB, we can find the slope of L1. That is, one slope is equal to the negative of reciprocal of another slope, means another slope value in 3 ಬಂತು minus 1 by 3 ಬಂತು. It means the slope of line in ಬಂತು minus 1 by 3 ಬಂತು. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, the line L1 passing through ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಎಲ್, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಏನದಾವ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 2 plus n divided by ಇದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, 3 divided by 1 plus n. ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬಂತು, ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಆಫ್ L1 we got minus 1 by 3. The line L1, ನಾವು ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ L1 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಂಡಿಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಏನು ಬಂತು 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, 3 by 1 plus n ಬಂತು. ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನು ಬಂತು minus 1 by 3 ಬಂತು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತಿ, ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅಗೇನ್ Point slope formula ಏನೈತಿ y minus y naught is equal to m into x minus x naught ಅದ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ? ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಥ್ರೂ x naught ಏನ್ರಿ 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n, y naught ಏನ್ರಿ 3 divided by n plus n, ವಿತ್ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಏನ್ರಿ m ಏನ್ರಿ minus 1 by 3. ಅದೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. y minus y naught ಏನ್ರಿ 3 divided by 1 plus n ಬಂತು is equal to slope ಏನು ಬಂದೈತಿ minus 1 by 3. x as it is minus x naught ಏನು ಬಂತು 2 plus 1 divided by small n divided by 1 plus n. ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡೂ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. y into 1 plus n ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y into 1 plus n minus 3 divided by 1 plus n ಬಂತು is equal to this again minus 1 by 3 as it is. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. 1 plus n into x ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 plus n into x as it is minus 2 plus 1 ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 1 plus n ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇದು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ look at the RHS part, divided by 3 is there. Okay, this moves to the LHS part and it becomes what? Multiplication. It means 3y 1 plus n ಆಯಿತು. 3 ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ. 3y 1 plus n ಆಯಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. 3 into 3 ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು 9 ಆಯಿತು. this whole divided by 1 plus n is as it is equal to this minus sign is as it is in bracket 1 plus n x minus 2 plus n divided by 1 plus n ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, 1 plus n ಈ 1 plus n ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಈ 3y 1 plus n ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್, ಈ minus 9 ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನನ್ನು ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಇವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿ. This minus x 1 plus n goes to LHS part, it becomes plus. See, x 1 plus n, this one is as it is, that is 3y 1 plus n, and this is equal to this constant terms moves to the RHS part. Here it is minus 9, it goes to the RHS part, it becomes plus 9. 9 plus this term is as it is here only, 2 plus n. This means 9 plus 2 means 11 plus n. x into 1 plus n plus 3y into 1 plus n is equal to 11 plus n. This is the equation of the line.